Welcome to TheStreet.com TV. This is Wall Street Confidential. I'm Farnoosh Torabi. Here is Jim Cramer, co-founder of TheStreet.com. Hi, Jim. All right, this morning, a number of retailers reporting their results for the month of May.
Right.
A better picture from April, but considering April was a huge, sluggish month, what's your take of it? Are consumers going to be spending higher going into the summer?
I think you want to buy JCPenney here. It's down 3 points. Every time JCPenney's down 3 points, they come in and they do the buyback. That's my focus. That's the focus on the disappointing stock. On the stock that actually did well, it's Saks. Saks below 20 is a real buy. Overall, the consumer, we had the hot record gasoline prices, and that has to put some dent on the consumer just because there's only so much pie to the consumer dollar. I regarded these numbers as very strong, given the fact that people were deeply focused on the fact that the consumer wouldn't be shopping because of gasoline. So I want to be a buyer of this group. I want to be a buyer of it going into the summer. I want to be a buyer of Walmart. Target has moved up very steadily. Walmart has all those analysts behind it, so you have that basically as a trampoline. Every time it's down, the analysts will come back and tell you to buy it. I have been consistently behind Costco. I think that is the best run of all American retailers now. I would still buy Costco here. I have disliked this group, but one of my theses has been that gasoline peaked the week before Memorial Day. Very contrary thesis that I have been mercilessly ridiculed for, which is fine. That's how I know it's really right. I find that the more ridiculed I am, the more likely the scenario. And the reason is very simple, because when you know everyone's betting one way, it often pays to bet the other.
Do you look just at the monthly sales numbers? I mean, do you really care about the monthly sales numbers?
Sure, monthly sales numbers are
they
like
really
everything
indicative?
else. I like quarterly sales numbers better.
Okay.
But this comes from the fact that Andy Grove, in Only the Paranoid Survive, says that the best single measure of management and business is the quarter. Anything shorter than that is too short. Anything longer than that allows management to skate. So the quarter is a better judgment than the same store.
You mentioned Costco. I just want to finalize on that because Costco is such a dynamic company. Their CEO, Jim Senegal, considered one of the humblest guys on Wall Street.
Oh, yeah, he's fabulous.
Who has come closest to matching Costco's benchmark? Sam's Club and BJ's are...
No, they're not creative. I mean, the great thing, I happened to have dinner last week with the book buyer, who's the most important book buyer in the country, which is the Costco book buyer. What Costco tries to do at all times is figure out what exactly the consumer wants. Everybody else, I think, you would say, well, hold on, isn't that what everybody's doing? No, everyone else is trying to manage on price. Costco has a very low price as a given, but they're not running the store for price. Every retailer I know, whether it be Sears running for the store for a high price, saying, listen, we're just going to make a little more than we used to, that's why the gross margins go up, or Walmart running the thing on everyday low pricing. These mantras of price are commoditized. There's a proprietary nature to Costco, which is they figure out which are the 10 best books, and they offer them free. They figure out which are the 10 best books that you might want. I like the analog of books because it makes so much sense to be spread upon all the different aisles.
All right. Thanks so much, Jim Cramer, on our Retail Roundup this Thursday. This is Wall Street Confidential. Thanks a lot, Jim.